Okie doke. Going to take a little tour of the website. This is the front page. I have a little slider here that will change to the different examples of my work, application prototyping, different software apps, doing apps like Real Player for Mac OS X, doing packaging design for several companies. I'll go to some of these pages in a minute. This is a website that I did for Gift of Laughter. These are some apps I did that are or were in the App Store. And this is just illustration, covering illustration. And this is multimedia stuff, including the NAMI interactive kiosks. So I'll show you. Those are just some logos, collection of some of the logos that I've worked on. So if you go to the apps, you'll see that there are some that were pretty. This is a pretty big one in the store that we worked on at NASA. And it's got millions and millions of downloads and subscribers or whatever, users. From there, I sort of spun out and I did a few of my own. I did a Grandma Got Run Over by Dr. Elmo app. I started a prototype of the Neo HD game, which was about near objects coming to Earth and you get to destroy them. A little game for kids, I guess, or younger adults. Reclaim, the packaging you saw earlier was for this company. We did an app for them. My app is called Go Minute, and I used to call it Minute Eating Method, but changed it to Go Minute. And here's some Christmas app, a Christmas app like Dr. Elmo was also a Christmas app. Let's see if I can get back to the page. So illustration here. These are some different types of illustrations that I've done, 3D as well as 2D, sketching and drawing and adding color. Some for websites, some just for fun. Well, they were used for interactive multimedia for a company called Teen Get Going. This is some packaging work. You saw the app. This is some packaging for Reclaim. These are some boxes I did for some of the software programs I worked on. I did not only the concept development, but I developed the gameplay and the music and the box, so it was a lot of involvement. These are some websites that I've worked on. You saw the big screen of Gift of Laughter, the Yes Games for NASA. Massachusetts, the city or the state of Massachusetts, this was done for the state. This is for NASA again, Exploration Center. It called the Exploration Encounter Center over at NASA. We did an app for more NASA stuff. This was a company called Factoring, International Factoring, Cisco Grove, a vacation type site. Keyword Perfect, image tagging software, and did their site. Other stuff, the company I worked for a while, the Collaborative, I did their site. And then Shasta Music was a cool, fun site. A lot of these sites are not around anymore, but you can still see them if you use the Wayback Machine. It's unfortunate that my site's not compatible anymore with the browsers, but I'm going to change that soon because I think it's just a matter of updating my template. These are some of the UI designs I worked on, including some products for some of the biggest players in the field in the early 90s. This, like Real Networks, was very big. And I did their players and many other things. This was a prototype for Yahoo, for organizing meetings with team members, doing Academy, which would be classes given online by Yahoo, I think it was. What did I say? Google? I don't know. Can't remember. I was actually working for a company that was developing these prototypes, so we worked with several different companies. Anubis was the company that I was working with, and it was a startup. This is some of the branding stuff you saw earlier. Unfortunately, I don't expand on these out from here because I could probably show you the Filmworks side and the Anubis side and Able Roofing side and all that, but some of them are gone. Toyosys, Web Favorites, this one, these are all sort of gone over here. Excuse me. And then there's some writing stuff that my sister's done. And anyway, that's the site. So now you can actually look at it and see what I did. Thanks for joining.